we now hear the learned Solicitor General. You will.
I would, my lord, assist your lordships on that question.
That aspect
as well, my lords. So essentially, your lordships are examining whether there is any leakage impacting the nationwide, or there is some incident of theft which has taken place, which is our case, which has impacted students who can be segregated.
Or as Mr. Huda argued, that there are such systemic flaws in the process that the entire examination has to be reconducted.
Correct.
To sort of reformulate what he said yesterday.
Correct.
In other words, what we have heard on is that what we heard arguments on is that the entire sanctity of the examination has been affected. Therefore, have a retest.
Yes. And whether to discharge the burden of proof, my lord, to that extent, what are the material the petitioners were able to place before the court, as against, my lord, the material which we would be assisting.
Individual grievances
May, my lord,
of somebody's OMR link not opening, or somebody having been graded wrongly, that is not the subject matter of this.
The learned Solicitor General, start just 1 point in 1 minute. My lord, where there was a delay in distribution of papers, and the same date they held the examination. The first, in the morning, it was 2 p.m. to 5:20, and the same paper they held again from 6 to 9. So the question paper they got 20 minutes late or half an hour late. They were holding that question paper for first 3 hours, and again the same question paper they were holding for another 3 hours. So all the people who were given those 6 hours the same day to attempt the same question paper has again defeated the integrity of the examination.
All right.
Because when somebody is getting 3 hours and 20 minutes once, these people got 3 hours and 20 minutes twice over the same day. Question paper remains the same.
I think that initially they gave the wrong paper, the CanBank paper.
No,
then they distributed
not
saying something.
They gave paper like in a different medium.
If you can
like
specify
in
that.
Madhopur, they gave in a different medium. And they were holding question paper in a different medium. Somebody like in Rajasthan probably opted for Hindi. They were given English. Somebody opted English, were given Hindi. So there was a delay in changing it. So to compensate the delay, they held the examination over again the same day, giving other full time. So they were holding the question paper in their hand for 6 hours, more than 6 hours the same day. How they will be at par with the other people who got exactly 3 hours and 20 minutes?
So what happened was that at the beginning of the examination, if the medium of the candidate was, say, Hindi, the candidates were given English.
Yes.
Then at some point of time, when was this detected? What happened?
Yes, Lord. In Savai Madhopur, they say they detected it through social media at 4:30.
No,
Two and a half hours later.
2.5 hours. It is their affidavit on record.
Just explain to us what happened.
2 o'clock, Lord, the question paper started. Questions were given to the students. Questions must be raising objection that this is not my medium.
Right.
No action was taken. NTA here in Delhi get to know of this incident at 4:30 the same day.
Right.
Then they take a decision that we will have another examination the same day from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m.